Those 3 minutes, you have to pitch your idea to the critical stakeholder in front of you. Making your dream come true depends on it. But suddenly, words fail you, your confidence deserts you, and your story is left untold. We've all been in that position. But now you can change that. It is time to impel your building technology vision.
Do you have a building technology hardware, software, publication, program, or patent that you want to drive to market impact? Do you want to learn to pitch to a potential funder, co-founder, private sector collaborator, or gain access to test labs or manufacturing partners? Introducing Impel Plus, incubating market-propelled entrepreneurial mindset at the labs and beyond, a program funded by the U.S. Department of Energy and implemented by Berkeley Lab. Become an IMPEL Innovator and participate in IMPEL's pitch coaching workshops held across the country. Our IMPEL coaches are successful Silicon Valley executives who have raised funds, built teams, invested in startups, taken technologies to market, coached scientists, and judged numerous pitch competitions. Using storyboarding, live coaching, on-camera training, and interactive exercises, the coaches will help you to roadmap your ideas, identify critical stakeholders, and articulate strong narratives. The Impel coaches will challenge you to develop clear, succinct, and compelling value propositions of your idea. You'll deliver your idea with authenticity and confidence, gain a market-propelled entrepreneurial or intrapreneurial mindset, drive towards skills, funding, teams, and resources for your projects, and become a valuable asset to your research group and team. In addition, highly evolved pitches will be selected for the IMPEL National Showcase at the DOE Building Technologies Office Peer Review in May 2020.
This workshop has been amazing.
I mean, you could be the greatest genius in the world, but if you're not able to communicate all those ideas effectively, it's not really worth that much. What I had thought in mind wasn't how I was really expressing it out loud, and it probably came out wrong or misinterpreted, or I was vague.
But then the whole point of doing this with other people and the coaches was to improve it like real time, and then they can correct.
And we learn from the others.
Right.
The coaching for me was very unique because they address this point. They speak about emotion in a candid way, and it's really a human process, and you start to understand that as technological as it could be, in the end you have to share ideas between human people, so emotion is the medium.
The life coaching was phenomenal. I don't know if I've been to a workshop like this. You know, the coaches take the time to really just hone in on what you're saying at every single aspect, and just help you to tune it until you get it really just right, or at least at a point where you can now go forward by yourself.
A lot of uncertainty. I had a patent, but I didn't know what to do with it. I was kind of stuck, just knowing that there's a lot of potential here, but not knowing which road to take forward. Through this program, I gained the tools that I need to be able to explore different paths and pick one that I feel is best suited for my technology, the current market, and where I am.
I think it's very helpful on the tech to market aspect. So we know how technology works, but one aspect as researchers we're always missing is how to set up the connection to potential beneficiaries of these technologies. And I think this workshop does an excellent job.
After this workshop concluded, I have a specific set of stakeholders in mind to talk about my idea with. I have some specific ways I could imagine joint funding between DOE and HUD to make it happen. And if we actually use those methodologies to develop those archetypes, we will be in a much better position to actually help fund technologies that customers or building owners will want.
We invite you to apply to Impel Plus and give a voice to your vision. Make those 3 minutes count.